Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on your YouTube channel GetAssist. Today in this video, I'm just going to tell you how you can edit messages, not only messages, sent messages on WhatsApp. Yes, previously what we have to do, we have to delete our old sent messages to rewrite the new message. But now you can edit the sent messages to correct them. So to know the process, watch this video till the end. So let's start the process. So first of all, we need to open our WhatsApp. Now select the person, click on the message which you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this message. So I'll long press on this message, then I'll get the option of 3 dots. Click on here. Now click on edit. Now you can see the option of editing on message has been enabled. Now you can re-edit this message. And then just click on this tick mark. Now you can see in this message the edited option has been popped up. That means this message was edited. So in this way, you can edit any messages on WhatsApp. So I hope this video was helpful for you. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.